Hey guys, it's Robby here, and today I want to show you my trinomial to binomial calculator that I've made in C++. Trinomial form is x squared plus ax plus b, and what this calculator will do is it will change the trinomial into a binomial. First, we start with the computer asking the user to enter the a and b values. Let's say we want the trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 12 into a binomial. After going through many numbers, the computer will come to x plus 4 and x plus 3. That is correct. First, we start with our opening text. Then I declared these variables. Some of these variables, like p-1 and p-2, I did not need. Now we come to our for loop. This means that my program will go on forever and not stop until the user hits the X or stops it. Here we ask the user to enter the A and B values. Now I will explain how this calculator works. The computer will guess random numbers, or two random numbers, between 0 and 19. It will set the sum of the values to int sum and the product of the values to int product. It'll then print these sum and product values. That was for reasons while I was making this calculator that I could view what was going on when the computer was doing these operations. Now we get to use our bools down here. This bool condition 1 and condition 2 will check to see, is guess 1a plus guess 2a equal to a, and is guess 1a times guess 2a equal to b? Down here we have the printed version where the binomial is printed. However, if the binomial is incorrect, the do while loop will keep going and it will just clear anything that is not correct with system clear. Now down here we have the end of the do while loop, and here we have is guess 2a plus guess 1a equal to a, and is guess 1a times guess 2a equal to b. If it is not, then the do while loop will continue. Not, because we have this exclamation point here. So if the two random numbers guessed, if the sum of them is not equal to a and the product of them are not equal to b, then this segment right here will continue on and it will clear anything that is incorrect. Once the guess 1a plus guess 2a is equal to a and guess 1a times guess 2a is equal to b, it will continue down where it is reprinted, because remember we had cleared the correct value, so we're going to reprint it, and that's where our loop will end. And once the correct answer is printed, it will ask again for another problem. Let me run it one more time. Let's do something different. Let's do 7 and 10. Here we have x plus 2 and x plus 5. I printed condition 1 down here to make and condition 2 to make sure both conditions ended up true. And that is all. So this is my trinomial or binomial calculator. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will most likely ask, or not ask, I will answer them. And thank you for watching.